A6 MTM style front bodykit. For this car model, with style 8, then remove the radar lines for the original car parts and install the new bumper in here, the radar lines. 3、2、1，开。
就拍个装上去的照片，就归页了，然后最后就做个那个做个。And now we put on our bumper on this car. You can see the fitments. Later I will show you the details of everywhere of this bumper fitments on the original car model. Okay. 等一会儿，等他们装完。Okay, this MTM RS6 front bumper have been installation. Let's see the details of the installation about it. Come here. Just see the fitments of the bumper and the original car fender. It's the perfect installation fitments. If you want this original car model, you also can fitments the same as this.